friends, welcome to our channel SVTech, and in this video I am going to show you how to make automatic hand sanitizer dispenser which is based on IR sensor. So let's get started. So first we need IR sensor module. Then we need 5-volt relay module and a 9 to 12 volt submersible water pump motor. Then level tube or simply water tube you can say. Then we need jumper wires. I have cut these from in between so that it will be easy to connect. Then we will need a tip of a pen which will work as nozzle. And then we will need a container like this, and we have to make some holes here, one for motor, one for refilling, and one for wires of motor. So let's see what happens in our circuit. So for proper running we need a switch, and relay module acts as a switch. And this is the IR sensor, this is the emitter, and this is the receiver. Emitter emits light, and when any object comes in front of it, the light is reflected from here and the same light is received by receiver. So when the receiver receives the light, relay module gets triggered and it supplies electricity, and our motor gets on. First, let's connect our water tube to our motor. Like this. And then we have to place our motor in a container. We have to take wire from here. And tube from here, and our tube will go from here so now I have inserted our motor in a container and the wire is here. So now we will connect negative to negative. Negative of relay is here and IR sensor is here. And then we will connect positive to positive. And then output to input. Here is input and here is output. So now we need this is meter or adapter jack. This is positive and this is negative. Let's connect our wire here. Red is positive in positive, and black which is negative in negative. So now we will connect positive of our DC splitter to positive of our IR sensor and relay module. We have to connect positive. This is positive of IR sensor and relay module 2, and this is the positive of our adapter jack. And now we will connect negative of IR sensor and relay module to negative of our power supply. This is negative. Let's connect here. Now we have to connect negative terminal of motor to negative terminal of our power supply. So now we have to connect positive terminal of motor here and positive terminal of relay module IR sensor here. So now you can see the soldering is done here, and let's fix it on bottle. So now let's connect nozzle here. So let's fix it here by using double tape. It will be here like this. Now relay will be here like this. It will be here. Okay. Now we have to place here. Place that. So we have to give this some balance, otherwise when we will activate our motor, the force of sanitizer will make the tube like this and it will not come accurate where we want. So here we will use a thick wire to make it supported by that. So now here we will use the thick wire. Let's insert this wire from here and just mold it. So I have bended this, and now we have taken that shape. Okay, Now it's done. So now let's test our automatic hand sanitizer dispenser, which is based on air sensor. So now we have connected our power supply here. So let's test it. Now I am just going to give a standard look to our sanitizer dispenser. So friends, now our sanitizer dispenser is ready. So let's see how it's work. Friends, here I have made a place from which we can refill our sanitizer. For this you can easily use a top of any bottle. This is our power supply and this is a switch from which we can on or off our sanitizer dispenser. So here's our sensor and here's our nozzle. And to use this we just have to keep our hand between this distance. So let's test this.